Hello friends, this is your girl Posh Crystal. It's expected that after solving these questions with me, you should be able to solve any question that you come across during your bitching. So, number 10. What's the exact value of 5.0 over 0.5 times 0.3? Option A, 66.33. Option B, 53.33. Option C, 46.33. And option D, 33.33. So solution, let's solve. 5.0 over 0.5 times 0.3. So now, first of all, we have to solve this here to simplify everything for us. 0.5 times 0.3. When you are multiplying decimal fractions or decimals, just multiply it first. Then you have to count the number of decimal places after the decimal points. Then you put them together and then add it and then place it in your answer. Let me explain by solving this. So now 5 times 3 is 15. You know that 5 times 3 is 15. So remember, every number has a point after it, right? So now there are 2 decimal places after the decimal point. That means we take the decimal points backward 2 times, because 0.5 times 0.3. Since we are multiplying them together, in both of them, there are 2 decimal places after their decimal points. So therefore, we take the decimal points back 2 times. 1, 2. So 0.5 times 0.3 is 0.15. Then now 5 times 0. 5.0 over 0.15. So now we have to divide 5 by 0.15 or 0.15. So now when you're multiplying a whole number when you're dividing a whole number by a decimal, you have to make the decimal a whole number. Yes, and then the number of times you move the decimal point forward, you also have to do that to the whole number. So this means it will be so we have to move the decimal point 2 times to make it whole. So which means we'll also move the decimal point here 2 times. 1, 2. So this means it will be 500 over 15. So now we have to divide 500 by 15. So 500 divided by 15. Let's use the long division method to solve this. 500 divided by 15. So now we have to take, since 15 and 5 cannot be divided by 15 because 5 is smaller than 15. So now let's take 50. So now 50 divided by 15, we have to start solving. Okay, 15 times 1, 15, 15 times 2, 30, 15 times 3, 45, 15 times 4, 60, 15 times 5, 75, 15, yes, so let's stop here. So now 50 divided by 15, what here is closer to 50? Let's see, 15, 30, 45, it's 45. So that means 50 divided by 15 is 3. So now 3 times 15 is 45. So now 50 minus 45 is 5. Then we bring down 50 again. So now 50 divided by 15, still 3. So 3 times 15 is still 45. Will still give us a remainder of 5, and there's nothing to bring down anymore. So now we put our decimal points, we add 0, still 50, which will give us 3. 3 times 15 will give us 45. 50 minus 45, still 5. Then we'll still add 0, so it's still 50. 50 divided by 15 is 3. 3 times 15. 50 divided by 15 is 3. 3 times 15 is 45. You know, the process keeps going, but now let's just round it off to 2 decimal places. So now it is, which means it will be 33.33. D is our correct answer. 33.33. So now number 11. Simplify -2 plus -18 plus 14. So now I think we have to use big mass for this. Sorry, board mass. -2 plus -18 plus 14. So now let's see brackets of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So where is the brackets? Here. So we have to open the brackets, which is this. Now we'll say -2. Now this -18, right? So now plus times minus. We have to multiply this plus to -18 to open the brackets. So now plus times -18. Plus times minus is minus. And then plus times 18 is 18 plus 14. Now remember this rule. Just remember this rule in case. Plus times minus is minus. Minus times minus is plus. Plus times plus is plus. And minus times plus, which is the same thing as this, is minus. Now if you want to remember this, just remember anytime plus or addition is multiplying another sign, just remember it leaves that sign as the same thing, which is minus will remain minus. The answer will be minus. Now if we are multiplying anything by the subtraction sign, it will change it to its opposite. So which means minus times minus, the opposite of minus is plus, right? So I remember anytime we are multiplying any sign by plus, it still leaves it at the same thing that is multiplying. So plus times plus, it will still be plus, and minus times plus. Remember, this will change this to the opposite, which is minus. Okay, so let's solve. -2 -18 plus 14. So now let's just solve this together. This will be -20 plus 14. So -20 plus 14 should be -6. You know, if you can't solve this normally, you can use your line, your subtraction and addition line. Sorry, I don't remember the actual name. You can use your line, your addition line. Or also you can say, you are owing me 20 coins, and then we have 14. When you give me 14, how many more are you still owing me? -6. You are still owing me 6. But then yes, so that's it. Our answer is -6, which means C is our correct answer. So now 12, convert 11111 base 2 to base 10. Okay, so let's solve this. How to convert numbers in base 2 to base 10. First of all, let's write out the number 11111. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, base 2. So now this is what we do. We write above it 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then now we'll multiply it by the base. 1 times the base, which is 2, all in bracket raised to the power of 4, plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 3, all in brackets, plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 2, all in brackets, plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 1, all in brackets, also plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 0. So now let's solve. 1 times 2 raised to the power of 4. You know, anything raised to the power of 4 is okay. Now, anything raised to the power of another number, it means that number has to multiply itself, the number by the number of times of the square. So which means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. This is raised to the power of 4. So 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16. So 1 times 16 plus 1 times 8. Sorry, yes, 1 times 8 plus 1 times 4 plus 1 times 2 plus 1 times. Now remember, any series to the power of 0 is 1. 1 times 1. So now 1 times 16. Okay. 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. 16 plus 8 is 32. 32 plus 4 is 38. 38 plus 2 is 40. 40 plus 1 is 41. So our final answer is 41. So now option C is 41. Therefore, this is our correct answer. Thank you. See my next video.